If you are thinking of joining Stockmarketcaddie and in particular taking part in our Q School, I'd like to show you something. Our most recent graduate of the Q School, Steffens, nice young man, worked very hard, very diligent, very disciplined, very patient. We have very little doubt that he's going to continue to do very, very well as an annual member. But for the past 3 weeks, he has been keeping his score. And we shared with Stefan, and we share with everybody, that when you sign up for the Q School, you will know at the end of the Q School what value Stockmarketcaddie is, because you will have been keeping score. This is his scorecard for the first week as an overview. 27 trades, 19 wins, 8 losses, 70% win-loss, gross profit of $5,379.40, gross loss of $2,000, a net of $3,372.70 with a profit factor of 2.68. And he did not have, and he is in a learning mode, and he didn't have all the programmability. He was basically shadowing what we were presenting to him each day. Now, the second week, that's the first week. You might say, well, anybody can have a good 1 week. This is his second week, and 17 trades. Bring this into view. I'm sorry, bring this down a little bit further here. 17 trades, 13 wins, 4 losses, gross profit of $3,000, gross loss $984, net $2,100, profit factor 3.14. And there was 1 or 2 days that he wasn't able to trade. Fantastic scorecard. As part of the Q School, you get to progress at your own pace. We have archived video instruction that you can watch. You can patch into our live Zoom. And we also work around your schedule, and we will try to connect with you every day, ideally, to be there to, number one, answer questions from the videos that you're watching, the screens that you're watching, from what it is you're doing, and at the same time, carrying forward a lesson plan. Yes, we have a lesson plan of information that we want to convey to you in a manner that is structured. It's not so rigid that we can't deviate. We can. We want to go at your pace, and we want to go in a direction that you want to go. We're imparting how we approach the markets in hopes of helping you to define how you want to trade in the end. Let me show you one more thing. So for this gentleman, we worked around his schedule, and his schedule was such that we could connect early in the morning. And what we did was, for approximately, and you can see each session was about an hour. This was the first one. We're going a little backwards here. We can do it this way. Let me resort them from oldest to newest. There they are. So we started with a welcoming tutorial. It's only about 16 minutes. And then an introduction to TradeStation, an hour. TradeStation, the trade manager and how to order, an hour and a half. A welcoming video. So this is a welcoming video for the Q School. This was actually, our orientation on TradeStation actually occurred before the Q School. And then guidance video for week 1 on the Q School. A discussion about Bollinger Bands, close to an hour. All these videos are about an hour. But these were live discussions we were having. And we just taped it so he could focus on what we were saying and didn't have to be taking notes. And then we put this in a library so that he has it. A discussion on point and figure, a discussion on classic Rinko, a guidance video for his second week, a discussion on custom Rinkos, a discussion on line break, a discussion on range bars, a discussion on Kaggie and setting up a strategy, a guidance video for week number 3, a discussion on optimization in the Walk Forward Optimizer, a discussion on hedging and options, a discussion on the libraries and getting underway, and today a discussion on options and how my wife Susan lays it out. If you want to learn more about the Q School, you can certainly visit Stockmarketcaddie, Q School information for traders. You do get $1,000 back, a credit back, if you become an annual member. You're also welcome to give us a call at 813-758-8263. The Q School has a limited number of slots, as does our annual members. So don't wait to get scheduled. It is flexible. We will work around your schedule, but we do need to schedule any of the folks that are thinking of coming into the Q School and possibly as an annual member. Have a great 4th of July, and you are welcome to call anytime. I'm Bagged On, Stockmarketcaddie, 813-758-8263. Thanks so much.